In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Sprout Social account quickly and easily. Let's get started right away. First, ensure you have your preferred web browser open. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. Once you have your browser ready, proceed to the search bar. In the search bar, type Sprout Social and hit Enter. This will prompt your browser to look for the official Sprout Social website, among other related links. Next, you want to locate the correct link to sign into your account. Typically, the official Sprout Social website will be among the top results, so go ahead and click on that link. Once you're on the site, you'll either see an option that says Sign In or Sign Up. If you already have an account with Sprout Social, you'll want to click on Sign In. If needed, enter your username and password before proceeding. After successfully logging into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of your dashboard. You're looking for a section labeled Account and Settings. It's crucial to navigate to this area because all the important account details and settings are managed from here. Click on Account and Settings, and then proceed to select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, your next step is finding the option that allows you to deactivate or cancel your account. Depending on your navigation, this option might be labeled slightly differently, but generally, you'll be looking for a button that reads Deactivate. It's usually clear and straightforward, ensuring you can identify it without hassle. Scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page if necessary. Here, you should see the final option marked as Deactivate your account. This section is crucial as it prompts the deactivation process for your account. Before you click on any final buttons, remember this action is irreversible. Withdrawal from Sprout Social means losing access to all your scheduled content, messages, and saved data. If you have any valuable information, make sure to back it up before proceeding. For those who may have started with a free trial, you might encounter slightly different steps or prompts at this stage. Free trial accounts may display alternative options for deactivation or require additional confirmation, so be sure to read carefully and follow any additional on-screen instructions specific to trial users. That about wraps up the process. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to delete your Sprout Social account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you complete the task with ease.